have a misfire. So what do we do when we have a misfire? We hold our gun downrange for about 30 seconds, okay? Because you could have a hang fire, which means it could go off. Or even a squib fire. Could have a squib fire. So what we're going to do, we're going to drop our mag, okay? We're going to wait another few more seconds, make sure it doesn't go off. Then we're going to eject our round. And you always want to pick up your round because you want to make sure it was a misfire. As you can see, the primer was hit and didn't go off. That's a misfire. If it didn't have the bullet in the end, that would be a squib fire. So you always want to double check that. Okay, so we had a misfire on the last one. The mag's empty. I'm gonna load the second mag in. I'm gonna rapid fire this one. Beautiful. That's called stovepiping. Sometimes they'll be straight up, but what it does is it didn't eject the shell out correctly. And it tries to load another one in so it jams up your gun. What you want to do in this instance, you want to drop your mag. Okay? The one that was trying to load fell out, and then we'll clear the chamber. Okay? So we'll finish. And we got another failure to load. This time it did eject the shell. It's just not pushing the shell into the chamber correctly. A lot of times we can push forward and it will. On this one it's pretty tight. So we'll always drop our mag. In this case I'm going to hold my hand under to catch the round.